Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer CapCut project from CapCut mobile to CapCut PC. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone. And if you want to transfer your CapCut project to your PC, first of all, you can log into your CapCut mobile. You can log in with your Google account or your social media account such as TikTok or Instagram. Then here I have logged into my CapCut mobile. This is my account. And then after we have logged in, we can click on the project that we want to transfer to the CapCut PC, and I'm gonna go with this project, so we can tap on this three dots button on the project. Then we're going to upload this project to the CapCut space, and you just need to click on upload to space. Then you're gonna click on upload right here. Then you have to wait until the process completed. You have to wait until 100%. Okay, and now the project has been uploaded to the CapCut space. And after the project has been uploaded, you can log into your CapCut PC and make sure that you log in with the same account. And after you have logged in, you will be able to access this project on your CapCut PC. Alright guys, and that's how we can transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.